The AUTO-VOX Solar Backup Camera is incredibly easy to install, requiring no wiring or drilling, and can be mounted in just 3 minutes using a single screwdriver. Equipped with a high-capacity battery and solar panel, this wireless backup camera offers extended battery life, providing up to 15 hours of use on a single charge. Utilizing 2.4G digital technology, the camera ensures a strong and stable wireless signal, delivering clear and colorful images both day and night without any lag within 40 feet. The camera's 6 adjustable parking guidelines help you park safely and efficiently, even in the tightest spots, with customizable options to fit your specific needs. With IP69K waterproof standards, the AUTO-VOX Solar Backup Camera is built to withstand extreme weather conditions, ensuring reliable performance in rain, snow, or car washes. The backup camera system includes a 5-inch monitor that provides a high-definition display, enhancing your parking and driving experience with precise visuals.